Hello everyone, welcome back again to our channel Coder Circuit. In today's video, this will be the fourth part and final part of the enumeration tutorial in C programming. Till now we have learned how to create an enum, a simple enum. Then we have learned how to customize the values inside an enum, and also then we have learned how to find the size of an enum. Now here we will be learning how to use an enum as a switch. Okay, because this is a very important interview question. Most of the times you will ask this question. Okay. So before starting this video, I would like to request all of you to please like, share and subscribe to our channel if you are new to the channel, and thank you for your support. Okay. So without any more ado, let's get started. I will directly go to the IDE now. And here guys, you can see this was the last tutorial where I showed you how to create enums and how to calculate the size of an enum using the size of function. And also I told you about the format specifiers specifically used for the size of function, which is percentage LLU or percentage Z. If you haven't gone through the videos, please go through them guys and try to understand them, and then you will learn and understand more in this video. Otherwise it will be difficult for you to follow up with these videos. Okay, I will give the link in the description and also in the I button, so go ahead and watch them and then come back here. Okay, and as I said, today we'll be learning how to use an enum as a switch. Okay, so let's get started. I already have a file created. Let me open that enum switch. Okay, so here I will simply create an enum, say days. Okay, let me write capital D to make it more proper, and I will say Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Okay, and by default, let me start Monday from 1. Okay, so that Sunday is the seventh day of the week. Okay, so here what I will do is I will create a void function print day, and here I will take an enum as an argument or parameter. Okay, enum days day. Okay, so guys, what I'm doing is I'm taking a day as a parameter, and based on that I will create a switch. Okay, as I said, we will be learning how to create an enum and how to use that as a switch. Okay, in the switch case, so here I'll just say switch. The expression here will be the day variable, and here I will take the cases now. So case, the first case will be Monday. Okay, I'll just say print Monday. Okay, so let me just copy paste some stuff and let me give the break statement also. Let me copy this entire thing, and the final one is default, which I will just say printf and invalid day. Okay, fine, and let me add some exclamation marks here. Done with this, and now let me change this values. Sunday. Okay, so done with this. Okay, and I haven't given the semicolon, so the error is gone, no problem. Okay, so you can see I have taken enum as a variable inside my print day function, and based on this day data that is passed by the user, it will either print Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, or else it will print default as invalid. Okay, so and this is my enum here. Fine. So let me do one thing. Let me go to the main function and create the enum is equal to, let me say, Tuesday. Fine. And let me call the print day function and pass our day as the argument. Okay. So the day is Tuesday. So it should print Tuesday here. Okay. Let us run this and check. Yes, guys, you can see here it's printing Tuesday. Let us change and see if it is working for all of them. If I say uh, Wednesday, run this. So everything is working fine, no problem at all. Okay. So this is how, guys, we can use an enum as a switch. I hope you understood this and like the video. Thank you for watching. If you have any doubts regarding this, please post your comments in the comment section. I'll be very happy to clarify those doubts. Okay. And thank you for watching. This was the last part of the entire enum tutorial. Hope you liked it. If you liked it, like and share our videos and subscribe to our channel, guys. That will really motivate us to create more content like this. Thanks for watching. Okay. Till the next video, this is Saurav signing off. Bye bye and happy learning.